So I have created a REPL with lots and lots of different Python files, possibly for different projects. A question that comes up is, how do I submit this for our YByte project evaluation? Previously, I used to send the entire REPL. In fact, it's almost the same now. I have to be just a little bit careful. For example, let's say the project that I want to submit, the particular project that I'm looking at is, let's say, test.tkinter.py. All I need to do is to go and select this once here, make sure I'm seeing it here. And notice when I see this on the URL, it tells me multiple projects, hash, let's say test.tkinter.py. Now remember, we need to get the URL and submit it to the top submission form. So I will make sure I'm getting this particular URL. Let's go and say, select this. And then I can, as usual, go to the class website, ybyte.in. I can go to, let's say this is doesn't matter level 1 or level 2 or even level 3. I can just click on submit projects. So I can keep following this. Let me just do this for the sake of illustration. Let's say I just pick up one name here, I can just say, this just for demonstration's sake, I can go and place this here. Notice this URL contains the specific Python file I'm looking at. This helps because now we know which specific file that is your project. Okay, so you can just click submit. Quite straightforward, I would think, for those who have been doing this before. Really don't see much problem here, right? So I hope this is useful. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.